Oh my God, you guys. After years, I would say secreting it, but we've literally been begging. We've finally made it. We're finally in Cabo, destination Cabo.
Long on Clevver Style, we're going to be covering our entire journey here at Cabo, so make sure you subscribe.
We're at the Grand Fiesta Americana. Thanks to them and the Zaring Group, we're staying at this villa, you guys. Words cannot explain it. You need to either subscribe or just come back tomorrow and watch our villa tour. It's like literally like a small home. By small, I mean huge.
But first, we had to get to Cabo from Los Angeles. It was a long journey.
It was.
It wasn't that long. We wanted to test a bunch of hacks, airport hacks, packing hacks, travel hacks.
Some of them maybe aren't as much hacks as like fun facts, but like we did them anyway.
Packing is the worst part of traveling.
I absolutely didn't pack until this morning.
So packing, you really need to invest in some space saver bags. You get your bag, fill it with all of your folded clothes, and you get a workout. Also, if you are on a budget, you don't want to spend $6 on a water, you can carry one of those collapsible water bottles. I keep one with me all the time.
You want to know where this one came from?
The airport.
My freezer.
I'm about to leave for the airport. I have my frozen beverage. I'm just basically hoping there's not that much traffic, because like what if it melts on the way there?
Eventually.
We did make it in with the water bottle. It melted barely. It's pretty rock solid.
We did get stopped. It did add approximately like 7 minutes to our security line process, but
he confirmed verbally that that is totally allowed.
3 hours later.
Just arrived to Cabo, just in time to enjoy some of my now melted water. The one thing I had to do the night before was charge this little thing called the lug lock. Ooh! Guys, you put it in your suitcase and it tracks where it goes, so you know like if they lost it basically.
Let's check on Jill's bag, which is supposedly underneath unless they left it behind, which I'm screwed too because all my liquids are in there. So I think this is more so to find it once, like to see if it's coming maybe. It's kind of dumb. I just read a note on the app where it says it detects vibration and movements and it turns off right before you're about to fly, so fine. Within 50-foot range.
10-foot range.
10 feet, 10 feet. Oh wait, shoot. Here it comes.
3 foot, 3 foot, 3 foot.
3 feet. Oh, this must be it.
This must be it. As if we like needed that to recognize
I
the
knew
bag.
that was my bag.
Like it works, but at the same time we're a little confused. Like
If it's in Baltimore,
then you would just like not have to wait here for hours to see if it came. You would just like go complain immediately.
sure.
Well, if you don't have 70 bucks to put out for a luggage tracker, you can do what I tried, marking your luggage with fragile. The airlines tend to do is pack it last, which means you might get your bag first. We're gonna drop our bags off at the exact same time. We'll see which one gets there first.
3 hours later.
We have made it to baggage claim. They just started the bell.
Is this it? Yeah. This is it? Oh no, it wasn't the first one out. There it is. Oh my gosh.
It's mine, and it doesn't say fragile on
Wait,
it.
that's yours?
Literally, Lauren's bag came out 5 bags after my bag. There is a rumor that if you have lost your cell phone charger, if you go to Lost and Found, tell them that you're desperate and you need a cell phone charger after 90 days, whatever it is that picked up at Lost and Found is kind of like free game.
What are you gonna say? Have you practiced?
Well, I'm not doing it. I've volunteered Lauren as tribute.
Fun fact, I'm actually really good at lying.
You are?
Really? I love lying. I love lying.
She's going to look. She's going to look. She's going to freaking look. Oh my god. She's got something. She's got something. Oh my god.
It looks like she feels guilty.
Tell us everything. She seems so sweet.
I forgot my charger at home. I'm going to Mexico. She's like, all right, well, let me go check. Found the cord. She was like, well, I don't have a lock for you. Do you just want to use it here? And I was like,
Oh my gosh.
she wanted me to get back. And I was like, hey, it's 8 o'clock. I have to board in 45 minutes. She was like, stop.
That was really sweet.
Look at this, is really nice and long and durable. It's way better than the actual one in my purse that's frayed and like electrocuted.
Well, so you actually needed a cell phone cord?
Maybe I wasn't lying.
While talking about performances, maybe we should also mention Bridget's not so stellar performance apparently. That if you go to the counter and you say you have some kind of special event or it's like an anniversary or something, then maybe they will upgrade you for free. Bridget,
What did she do?
There you go.
We are having Bridget approach the desk, tell them that she recently found out she's pregnant, so an upgrade would be nice. Are you feeling up to the challenge?
I mean, I'll do it.
All right, get up there. There's no line, girlfriend. There she goes. She approaches. I think this is going well. Can't wait to find out what happens. Here she comes. Here comes our girl. How's it going? Report back.
No, the most she could do was move us to get more legroom, but they don't do complimentary upgrades because you have to pay for them no matter what.
It's A for effort.
Yeah, she really did try. I wouldn't have done that.
No. The last thing we had to test out at the airport, you know how you always have like your rolly suitcase, but then you also have like your shoulder bag, and then it kind of like falls off.
Always.
We have this little tool, which did not come with any instructions. I was a little frustrated just watching it.
These are not instructions.
That's all it came with.
Bridget, help me.
Bring in the reinforcements.
Where's the picture? There isn't one. Oh. I mean, you could just attach it to the bottom of the wheel. That actually doesn't sound wrong.
Okay, Bridget, do a little bag twirl. Let's see your handiwork.
You can just attach. Is that correct? I feel like I can't be how it.
I'm interested in the integrity of the product and the hack.
She's saying that because I'm not.
Lily was
Interest fast.
Show me that. Oh!
Okay, so if your bag was smaller and your suitcase was
This,
bigger.
I feel like the hack we figured out for the product works better than the real link.
Yeah, I like Bridget's way better.
Hack. Don't read the directions. Do it yourself.
Okay, Jocelyn tested a coffee travel caddy that you can connect to your roller bag suitcase.
Erin found this really cool thing. It's called a drink caddy, but this is supposed to attach to the top of your suitcase so that you can be a multitasking queen. Guys, I feel like this is gonna be pretty easy to do.
Wow, that was really easy.
This was way too easy. I'm a little nervous. I was very prepared. Look at that.
Just look at it.
Makes me nervous. Yeah, watch your toes.
I'm a little shook. Wait, did I do it wrong?
Maybe you clipped it upside down. I bet you did. Look.
Look at that.
Because there's a, see?
Oh, look at this.
Is it upside down?
Yeah.
Would you look at this?
Real adults make mistakes too. Ta-da!
But you can't really walk very fast.
Let's see. Take a little stroll. You could drink out of it too. Bend over.
Look at that. That's nice and shiny.
So when we got on the plane, we had a couple of accessories we wanted to test. There was a snake pillow that Lauren tried that she didn't love, but I was really into. So this thing is a little scary. It looks like a snake. My anaconda might want some. TBD. This feels like a neck brace. So if I lean back, it's not doing anything for me. It's the same as the chair rest. This hurts. I don't think this is that great. I know Lauren was pooping on the neck pillow, but I'm on the window seat. I actually really like it. Maybe I'm just weird. And then Jocelyn, of course, who is the wheeling of the group. She's the shortest.
Jocelyn's not short.
She is the shortest.
We're all tall.
Well, she said it herself. I'm not
Let's
shaming
see
her.
it.
All right, Jocelyn, what do you have?
Okay, I usually put my backpack on the ground and I'll pull it out with my feet on top of it. I'm not short.
Jocelyn's not short.
But my feet always kind of dangle on airplanes, especially the bigger like comfort seats. I know, first world problems, Walmart. So instead we have this inflatable footrest. How do you feel? I like it. I feel so like relief on my legs. The only way I'd ever use this is if I had like a personal assistant carrying it for me so that I didn't have to carry it.
So apparently there's a hack that you can turn the bark bags that they put into like the little back pocket of the plane into a phone holder. We had to take some creative liberties.
Jill is gonna start trying to make her phone holder out of barf bag.
Barf bag equals cell phone holder.
Because you can't just hold it.
My hands are too fragile.
I have a feeling this might take a minute, so we will
It might not take any minutes. It might be impossible. That doesn't look like what I'm working with.
Maybe you just did it this way.
12 seconds later.
Bridget. I feel like Bridget should be crowned like the airport hack queen.
Truly. Just DIY that shit.
It's like
Another hack that I tested on the plane that you actually told me about was asking for the whole can of soda. You know, they only give you half.
They act a little stingy about it.
Sometimes. Can I have a water and a Coke with ice? And sir, I was wondering, can I get the whole can? Thank you. The whole can. Maybe we shouldn't celebrate when he's literally standing right there. So let us know in the comments if you've tried any of these hacks. Do they really work? Did we do it wrong?
Do you have more that we should try next time? Because we should definitely come back to Cabo.
Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe so that we can keep making videos like this, so that we can keep going to destinations like Cabo.
And also because there's literally gonna be videos the rest of this week that
Yeah.
like you might miss if you don't subscribe. But you also have to hit the bell because then you won't miss anything.
You guys are awesome. Thanks for hanging out, and we will see you next time.
I wanna go get in the
Or
pool.
tomorrow. Should I push you in?
No. As you can see, we finally made it to Cabo. But if you didn't see our bathing suit episode we did right before we got here,
You gotta click right over here. It's right over here. You guys gotta check it out. You're gonna love it.
and then subscribe right here because then you won't miss any more because there's a lot of content coming from Cabo.
Destination Cabo.
We're here.